This is another elevator at the Grace Library / University Commons building at Carlow University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old Marshall elevator from I don't know when, but sadly, the buttons got replaced with Innovation. Comes with 5 older 90s Innovation Universal. That's an interesting floor passing tone. Sadly, this thing got modded with Innovation. The first floor call station looks like it got replaced again with the Bruiser button. Here, 5. That's burned out. Go back down to 1. ADA phone. Pretty basic cab. Sadly, the buttons had to get replaced, but it has the original controller certificate. This is in the same building with the Otis Gen 2 newer Series 2. This is probably the original elevator to the building. The other one was obviously added later. Look at this lantern. Here, back on 1. Ring the bell. And whatever. Oh, there you go. 2 goes and that's it.